Fred, good to see you. What is an energy strategy and why is it important?
It's about keeping costs under control, right? Making sure that as data grows 10x over the next 7 years, the cost of hosting data is not going to do a 10x as well. But it's also about being able to do more over time, extracting more value from data.
And because of the possibilities of regulation change, because of the pressures of energy use, this is now the moment that companies need to address this, I presume.
In the Western world, we've seen regulation emerging in a lot of countries when it comes to not just reducing the amount of energy that we're using, but also exposing how much energy every organization is consuming and the resulting carbon emissions, the resulting greenhouse gases emission.
How do I calculate my server room power consumption?
So today, the way you would be doing this is by having smart power distribution units in every rack and for literally every plug, but also by using smart solutions such as pure storage arrays that actually expose all of the power consumption as well as greenhouse gases emission savings in real time.
How do I reduce my server power usage?
The most efficient server is the server that you do not use. So one of the way organizations can actually reduce the total server power usage is by taking data out of those servers, storing it on efficient data storage solutions such as pure storage systems, and therefore taking every single storage device out of those servers. By doing that, not only do you need less power for all of your servers, but also you're actually able to analyze data faster by virtue of it being on a fast storage system.
Well, that sounds like a no-brainer for any CTO. So is it easy to make that transition?
It is. It's just a matter of deploying our systems so that are extremely energy efficient and also have a very small physical footprint. So they're easy to deploy, easy to install in existing data centers, and then it's a question of migrating data to those.
Is it important to be systematic in your approach to making this change?
Yes, I think it is. A lot of organizations don't realize the amount of data that they have, but also they don't realize that more data gets created all the time. Everything is smart these days. Everything is constantly phoning home data. It used to be that humans would create data. Now machines create more data than humans.
It brings to mind a kind of a herd of cats, everything spreading out and getting out of control and going into all different corners of where you're trying to operate.
Indeed, that's actually one of the biggest challenges for a lot of organizations is understanding where their data is, extracting value, extracting information out of that data, and therefore it needs to be hosted in an efficient manner, but also in a way where it can be accessed quickly, and that's what our solutions do.
Fred, great to talk to you. Thanks very much.
Thank you for having me, Andrew.